Multiple choice question, only one option correct. Question. In a metal deficient oxide sample MXY2O4, M and Y are metals. M is present in both +2 and +3 oxidation states and Y is in +3 oxidation state. If the fraction of M2 plus ion present in M is 1/3, the value of X is option 1 0.25, option 2 0.33, option 3 0.67 and option 4 0.75. So from the formula of the compound, the number of M atoms is equal to X. And from this, M is present as both +2 and +3. So the fraction of M2 plus ions is 1/3. M2 plus ion present is 1/3. Therefore, the fraction of M3 plus ion will be 2/3. Therefore, the number of M2 plus ions will be 1/3 into X. So X is the total number of M. And that of M3 plus is 2/3 into X. Sum of oxidation numbers of all the atoms must be 0 in a compound. So therefore, +2, that is X/3 M2 plus ions, +2 into X/2 3 plus +3 into 2X plus 3. For Y it is +3, so +3 into 2, and for oxygen it is -2. There are 4 oxygen, -2 into 4 is equal to 0. So therefore 2x/3 plus 2x plus 6 minus 8 is equal to 0, or 8x/3 is equal to 2, and from this x is equal to 3/4 or 0.75. Therefore the correct option is option 4.